Welcome back to Tradeprofx.co.ke. It's another amazing video on another day before we reach something. So we withdrew our after reaching 1,000 USD. So back again to around 200 plus USD, and we try and grow it again to for the next days until we hit the end of the month. So if I look again, the amount we withdrew was the last amount we withdrew was 722.65 USD. That was the last amount we have withdrawn to Binance, because I usually save my USD into Binance and buy cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Solana, and Doji coins, all that. So I also do cryptocurrency. So when you withdraw, do something with it all. Invest in other activities like land. Don't let money not do something. So with those few remarks, let's get back. So back to 287.17. Already I've made my 15.90 USD, but I wanted to talk about something here. So if you get to the high-tech boats, why is it? Let me just check and teach you something about this. So very fast, because we don't like taking so much time. So when you click on the high-tech boats and then scroll sideways, you're going to get the digit pulse. And I've been asked what is this I added. So I wanted to educate people about the digit pulse. And the digit pulse obviously is something, it's not an trading bot, but an analysis tool, which I'll be talking about it later. But just to mention a few, I wanted to do some analysis on what is the real backend, what happens if I wanted to do maybe for the past 1,000 ticks. If I was trading on over 4, what would I make? So anywhere you see any red, remember it's a drawdown. So if you are trading on over 4, you will be at a drawdown of 53, 51 right now. Remember, you can see it is changing. Reason being, it's updating theoretically using the statistical data on the current tick which is happening. So for the first past ticks, you will be on a drawdown of, if you are trading under 7, that will be the drawdown right now. If you are doing over 0, that will be the drawdown. So basically, if I go to the back test, you can see someone who was now trading right now on over 4 would be having a $6 2.12 USD profit, but all the others are drawdowns, right? Look at it, what is happening. So that will be a drawdown for the past 1,000 ticks. That is, you're about to remain only trading 1, 2, 3, all those ticks. Remember, we usually say every update on price on the last digit, like here it's 0 for that one. If you count it for 1,000 ticks and you are trading on these trades, you will be on this drawdown. So I'm doing this one, the digit pulse is giving me the real data. Who is trading under 6 has a profit, trading under 5 has a profit, under 4 has a profit, but all the other, that is updating on the current. So I wanted to know, do really people who trade for long hours make something? So this one is giving me the real picture on what is happening on the back end, and you can see it's making. So another thing, there is something I wanted also to understand. They are trading using patterns. So for someone who is using patterns, you can see in a row, 4 in a row, 72 H1 streaks in. So it is giving me some conditions and wins that it's possible to make. You can see here we have the greens. Anywhere you see any green, it gives you an edge that you would have made profit on that. So you can see here for under 3 still making, will be on profits there. Under 5 would have made 11. There is one for under 3, 11 USD. So there is a time you can get greens most on the trading. So it tells you that people are also making money in the real time trades. So on the strategy lab, I put almost 450 plus strategies for me to understand the key parts which can make me profit. So when you click and run the strategy lab, you can see it just gives me the first 20 strategies that can make me something. You can see average you can get for USD using that, and that is why you usually see me targeting being disciplined. You can see you will have a maximum drawdown 1500 and then net profit 3952 on 11 runs. So I'll be explaining more about these so for that people can understand, though these are the best strategies that most of the time if you use them you are going to get something out of it. So the autopilot I did was just basically trying whether like all them, if I take most of the trades they can at least make something, and I noticed that by the end long run, that's why I came up with the digit pulse to give me the correct data what I'm expecting. So even if I used the autopilot, it gives me an edge that you will always, there is a time you can be up down. So obviously it gives you an 50-50 edge, but with the good strategies, that's why I like using the over 3 sniper. So these ones are for lessons, are my lessons for knowing what strategies I'm going to input so that I can execute my trades. So let me show you the over 3 sniper. Remember I did for this some of the trading modes here, and I don't know whether you people have tried the adaptive AI, which is also working quite well. So this one, go to the lowest market, which is not volatile, like volatility 10 index. And you see this one, volatility 10 index, so it has not updated. So let's refresh. After we refresh, we try now using that this market here. So we go, then we get back to over 3 sniper, get to adaptive AI, then change this to the lowest volatile market, that is volatility 10. So wait for it to update. It is updating now. Can you see it's moving now? Well, so from here you can use any amount of stake you want. So I'll be using 2 USD and then leave everything maximum loss. Take profit, I'll go for something like 15, another 15. That will already have reached I think let's reach there. So let's reach the account to 500. That is around 13.15. So that is the take profit. So it's around 13 USD. Then we start. So this one is the AI adaptive. So it will be doing trades itself. It will know where to take, where not to pick. I don't know whether you people are using it, but there is so much we need to learn on the trading digits, so much, and that's why I have put that so that you can see the clear data what will be happening. So when you see like this AI adaptive, I know it will make you something because it has the backend strategy for trading over 3. So if you see it executing trades, it will execute perfect trades. I don't know whether you are making profits using some of these modes that I put. People assume, but I know what I've done. Like there you have seen I've done over 460 strategies, and I can tell you for a fact that out of the 400, you are assured that you will still make something out of it. You are assured, like you cannot lack 15 strategies that will work. Yes, there will always be losses because you can see also this one is hitting small losses, but the end long run you will be on profits. So it's upon you now where it comes, and I usually tell you do what we call risk management. So risk management is looking at your capital and you look at your take profit. So what is your target profit? Your target profit and the take profit that you, the capital you have, the take profit, the stop loss. They usually tell you I don't focus on stop loss. You focus on what? The amount that you have, the capital, the stake you are using is most important also. So you will always stay alert. So we are done. You can see the bot has stopped at 14 with 300 scoped. It's very easy. So I've made 15. I've also added another 14. That is close to something 30 USD there. And if you listen to me and do using these strategies, these modes that you people assume, they are very good as long as you trade using the best risk management. Despite however you have a small capital, then use the lowest stake and then target small. Don't be greedy. And I'll also be talking about these ones because these ones will give you an edge, a clear edge on what is expected, such that you can see here under 8 you will be at a drawdown of 515. If you know that, now you are going to trade, you are going to know what you can use to execute trades. I'll be explaining more about the digit pulse and most of the strategies here, what they tell me and which one is the best to trade using. So most of like that bot for over 3 sniper, some of its strategies are also here and are the ones on top here, and that's why you can see we have made something out of it. So I'm very pretty sure out of even if I give it more strategies, it will give me, always select for me the best, and I'll know which one I'll make the back end bot using. So we have so many adaptive. We have the steady edge, post cold, we have the cold boost, rhythm pray. Use them, the digit distribution, all these ones. As long as you stay alert and you execute your trades safely, you will make it to the end. Let's meet in the next video. In case of any question, some of these needs you to understand, come for classes if you want. We can do 2 hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, and I tell you and explain more or better. So don't just run trades randomly, because you will find yourself on these drawdowns. So this is the true back end. So you will always have be on a drawdown, especially if you don't have a strategy that is working. So it's either use patterns. You can see patterns are making something. You can see the win rate and is showing green. But if you don't do, you just do any random trades over 3 over 4, you will always be on a drawdown by the end of the day. So like this one is the rust past 100 ticks. So that is, you run for 100 times, you will be on a drawdown on the net profit of -20. So that is for 250. This one is for 500 and 1,000 ticks. You can see what is happening. I wish I could have more time to explain more about this one, so you understand basically behind what happens on the past ticks data. So the past ticks data will give you the truth about, for you, anyone who trades just randomly without anything, just not knowing what he or she is doing. So anyways, the bot, you have them. That is the over 3. Try the AI adaptive. The AI adaptives gives you a good edge to make something out of trading. And also comment the bot that you are making profits on the comment section. This is Tradeprofx. Continues sharing, subscribing, and always commenting. Ask questions. I like those people who like coming to my DM and asking. The number is on the bio there. Just comment, just ask any questions in case you want any help. Bye bye.